Hello and welcome to the Philippines. I'm going to show you inside of a couple new bars upon Mango Avenue, officially called General Maximum Avenue, but most people know it as Mango Avenue and Mango Square up there. Anyway, just walking just past the 301 Ramos Street Bar. This is Ramos Street, and 301 is the address. 301 Ramos Street Bar. Good food, band several nights a week. Check their Facebook page out if you want more details. Massage place to the left here. I'll take you inside of these new bars here in a bit, but first I want to show you this interaction with the guy up here a little bit further. There's a massage place. There's I think he was trying to get me to go inside of another massage place. There's another massage place. There's Cebu Veterinary, what do they call it? Doctors Hospital, right there. They stay pretty busy. Hear this guy here. Hello, hello, hello. Wasn't really sure what he was saying, but I can usually presume he's got a girl for me, or massage. Happy ending, he says. Happy ending. I'm busy, sorry, pal. And might be that massage place right there. And then they've got a karaoke place up here, XOXO. I think, not absolutely positive, never been in there. It's a KTV bar where you sing. It's like karaoke. And I think there's a number of girls in there you can pair up with, and if they got different rooms, you can go in and do your karaoke, I guess. And this place is always full parking. One issue here in Cebu City, many places, is that there's an issue with parking. The malls, in fact, a couple of malls are have built out more parking because even the malls fill up. Too many cars. This is Prime Way, I believe it's called, the little retail type area. Yeah, Prime Way. They've got some places to rent in there too, like condominium type places. Anyway, I'm gonna walk up to Mango Avenue, just another long block from here, I think. And if you turn to the left on Mango Avenue, you've got 2 Robinson's Mall. And you've got the Chunghwa Hospital. There's also a newer Chunghwa Hospital over in Mandawi. You got Cebu Doctors Hospital, not very far away. How much are bananas per kilo now? How much? 120 per kilo. 120 per kilo. They've really gone up in the last few months, I think. And I thought maybe he was quoting me the foreigner price, but I asked my girlfriend. She said no, they're in the market. They're 120 per kilo. Another video I'm going to do very soon down on Carbone, the huge Carbone public market in the downtown area. And one reason I don't give out prices, especially of produce and stuff in malls and the public market, is that a lot of that stuff is seasonal and it can change by the month. So what I would tell you today might be outdated a few weeks from now. I have a local public market just 2 blocks from me that's very convenient. I can walk over there, and a little bit higher price than it is generally going down to Carbone Market. If I go down to Carbone, I'll buy quite a bit, and I will, just what I save on broccoli, for instance, will more than pay for my taxi ride down and back. 100 peso down, 100 peso back, and buy a lot more than that. Time to make sauerkraut again. So I need to get like 5 or 6 big heads of cabbage. And back that way is Fuentio's Minya traffic circle, where the 2 Robinson's malls are. You've got a bar up here just a little bit on the right called Barcode. I've been in there, I think, twice over the last few years, and they've got a band in there. They've got girls. You can buy them a drink and chat with them if that's what you want to do, or just they've got, I think, pool table in there. Yeah, here it is.
Barcode Bar.
Barcode. I think they've been around about a year or so. Oh, I was going to mention that 301 Ramos St Bar that I walked by earlier at the start of my walk used to be called Time Out, and gosh, I was here a couple of years before a friend of mine had found it. He said, "Let's go get something to eat at the Time Out," and they had good burgers there. So anyway, it's been bought by another Australian and his Filipino wife. It's called 301 Ramos St Bar, and they've expanded it. They're about twice as big as Time Out was.
The Rooms, that building there on the corner of Mango Square, just called The Rooms. Horizon 101. National Bookstore, that's the start of Mango Square. Oh, excuse me. Hello. Don't want to get run over. So it used to be all bars over there. Now HK Pharmacy, Cebuano, Luhilier, Money Transfer. Up above, they've got the sign still up. Kangnem Music Bar and Club Pub. Was a Korean place, but didn't last. I think they didn't have the proper permits. They shut them down after about 6 months. Then down below, unlimited rice, unlimited wings and rice plus fries. It's a lot of Filipino business. There'll be waiting line to get in. Winia is a new Indian food. Solwell. Over here you got dim sum. Show you one other thing. Got another Indian place. Indian place down there. But they also own the bar around the corner. And you can order the Indian food in the bar where it's air conditioned rather than sitting down there where it's rather warm. Chowking. So you got Mango Square over there. Used to be mostly bars. And you got a 7-Eleven. Up above you got a lechon place. They've got music some nights, I think. Got a laundromat. Boy, you'd think that'd be high rent to put a laundromat in there. A couple other Han Pork. I think it's Korean. And over on this side, this is, over there's Mango, 1 Mango Avenue, and this is 2 Mango Avenue, versus Mango Square across the way. Hello. Hello. And I'll show you the bar down there. Relatively new, less than a year. Let's see. Rising Resto-Bar. Rising Resto-Bar. Ballroom dancing. Wow. Afro, Latin, bachata, salsa, tango, Argentine, live DJ, dance studio. Tuesday to Saturday, 8 p.m. to 1 a.m. Wow. But my understanding, push. my understanding. Hello. Same owner as the Indian restaurant?
Yeah.
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 Okay. Okay. How is your ballroom dancing going? You get a
It's fine, sir.
huh? Get some people in here? All right. I've got a YouTube channel called Amazing Philippines. I'll mention you in it in a couple days. All right. You open at what time?
The ballroom or
Yeah. During the day, you open what time?
11.
11 a.m.
Yeah, we open lunch and dinners.
Okay. And then your ballroom starts at 8?
8.
8 o'clock?
p.m.
All right. Very good. All right. Some people will be interested in the ballroom dancing for sure. All right. Thanks. Another money transfer place, HLH, Lou Hill here. Good afternoon.
Hello, sir.
Hello. Good afternoon. So there's a little parking up here, but there's more parking down there. Used to be I think a big karaoke place up there, but during the wonderful government lockdowns, a lot of these businesses closed. Used to be a bar, a couple restaurants up there. I think none of them survived the government lockdowns. So this is 2 Mango Avenue, and we're walking over right next door to 1 Mango Avenue. And there used to be a couple bars over here too, before the government lockdowns, like 3 of them I think. Did not succeed. Sibelius Insurance. Now this was a Korean food place for, I don't know, 6 months or so. Apparently they did not have enough business and transferred to insurance. Chefs and Bakers Beverage Solutions. Liquor store. Not that I partake, but First Vita Plus Product Center. Vitamins, I think. Coffee spot. Oh, interesting. Realtor broker. Yeah, all these places are new. Laundry, 3D laundry, not just 2D, 3D. Jumping ahead down the street and across the street, you got the new Howling Dog 2. Live band 9 p.m. to 2 a.m. They are not open yet, but will be within the next few weeks, I would suspect. And the Howling Dog is down that direction, the original Howling Dog. And you got your cross the street over there, Nova Sisters Bar.
Sisters.
Novax. Lupinas.
Bikini bars.
Bamboozers. Breaking Point.
And let's go take a look inside Breaking Point. They're open now. So this is the new Breaking Point bar, and we're going to go in and take a look. I was out here. I just want to take a video picture of the area, and so you have seating outside and then inside, and it's different. This was formerly the Philly. Some of you have been in there, and they have quite completely changed the color scheme, the layout a little bit. The bar is where it was before, but yeah, completely different color scheme. I asked him, what's that area up there, kind of closed off by drapes? And he said, that's the VIP section. And we're going to go up there, take a look at that, and pool table over there. I think they'll just have maybe they'll have a DJ down below. Be careful if you're upstairs drinking, going down those stairs, a little tricky. VIP different areas up here. I think he told me 4,000 pesos, consumable, completely consumable. That's what it costs to get the VIP section, one of those sections. And they will have, I'm sure they will have girls up here to talk to entertain you as well. So that's what the upstairs is like. Before it was the Philly, I think it was the All-Star Sports Bar, and I think the guy had a heart attack, and they ended up selling it. And then it was the Philly, and a couple people have messaged me over the years and told me before All-Star it was something else, which I presume it was. Interesting location. And then we'll go back down to Mango Square on the back side and take a look at what's going to be the Social. They're moved out of IT Park, moving on just the back side of Mango Square.
And this is where the Social from IT Park is moving. Kind of on the back side of Mango Square area. And they moved in. They've got a bunch of modified shipping containers, just like they did at IT Park. It's nighttime, about 7 p.m. I think. Can't see it very well, but it's a 2-layer. So they'll have chairs all through here. Maybe a band out here in the middle someplace. Tables and chairs. Open mid to late November or December. Good evening. Family KTV. A couple other restaurants. There's a Mexican restaurant back in there further. There's a Persian restaurant. There's another restaurant, bar type thing back in there.
So thanks for watching. Safe travels wherever you're at, and we'll see you next time.